just work with whatever tools are down at your side. Oh, there's a bit of gravel. And look what you do with it. That's beautiful.
Well, I think it's quite important to use local material, local people. That's the energy from here, and that's why I wanted as many people as possible to come and join. Wow, you're doing a great job, Jenny.
Yeah, thank you.
Honestly, she's been brilliant. I wouldn't have done this without her at all. So. I like the red coming as well.
Yeah, the red coming through. So with the glazes, with the slits,